This is my 2003 Triumph Bonneville, which I've had for about 6 months, and in the 6 months I have not been able to inspect the spark plugs. I came across an unexpected problem. For Christmas I was bought this bougie Slutel set, which looks ideal, but even grinding it down it still wouldn't fit. So I went on eBay and I found these super slim ones, and if you look in the end of them you can see how thin-walled they are, and this is the solution. $6.95 for 3, absolute bargain. So I've just popped the NGK cap off. It's pretty easy to come off, and look down there, NGK standard spark plug. This is the standard one that I was bought, and I've tried grinding the end down, and you put it on there and it can't actually get on the plug. So this is my Tool Zone Elite super thin walled socket, and that goes straight on and drops in place. So we just click that in there, and then you realise you've put it in the wrong place and you can't turn it, so take it out. And oh, that's got enough just to undo it. And that comes loose quite quick, so I reckon I can take that T-handle off and get it out with my fingers. After 2 half turns it's actually loose enough to take it out with your fingers. I think this is a sign of good maintenance, because usually if a plug's been in for a really long time it's really hard to get out. There we go, and because it's a proper spark plug spanner, it's got the rubber insert that holds the plug when you pick it up. So inspecting the plug, that is almost perfect. Lovely brown tan colour, no oil, no sooting, in really good condition. So that's the answer to my problem. A cheap Tool Zone thin walled socket and a very cheap Benson brand T-handle, and I can easily get the plugs out, and none of that messing about with taking the tank off that the Americans seem to talk about a lot. Before I put the plug back, I'm just going to clean the seat with this wire brush attachment that comes in a kit. I think you pay about 12 quid for all these, and they're absolutely brilliant. You can just put it down onto the plug, twist it a couple of times, lovely and clean. So I can add this now to the toolkit that I'm building for the bike. Hopefully that'll go in there like that. Sets of spanners fitted to everything that actually needs to be undone. Replaceable screwdriver, Allen keys that fit everything, adjustable spanner that goes up to 32, and this little toy which is a ratchet head that you can fit, so you can do adjustments for things that are in really tight spaces. That's basically just something I was bought for Christmas for about 2 quid, but it's really useful for adjusting things, particularly carburetors. A set of ratcheting spanners that fit virtually everything that's on the bike, and an adjustable spanner that goes up to 32, which is just about big enough to take the back axle out. Seems very unlikely you'd be doing that by the side of the road though, because you have to take the exhausts off to do that.